listen, listen, listen. I've been gone for a minute. I know. I was going through some stuff. We just gonna put it like that. But yeah, bro, I'm back now. Goddamn. I ain't had nothing to record, so this is gonna be like a little mix up of both of the other videos. Y'all know what this is, bro. But yeah, y'all like the video. I won't leave again. I promise. And things of that nature. And yeah, we on it, bit.
Did you start Joe?
Whoa. What? That's not crazy? She said you just get out of jail? Now let me know. What's good, bro?
Bitch.
Don't play with me.
What? See, this is what I'm talking about, bro. This is what I'm talking about. What you got going on, bro?
Not my hair.
I see.
I did.
Bro, stop saying that shit, bro. You gotta get, yo, check that out, bro. How long is it gonna take you to do? How long have you been doing this?
An hour.
Why do y'all do that? Like, y'all get all this hair, and then it take you that long to get it.
Oh, it'd be cute. But then when it's time to get out, like,
See, that's why I just need to go bald. Like, everybody just need to just.
no, because I'm going bald. Literally. That's crazy you said that. I'm literally going bald. We should think to an elf or a teenager.
Yeah, one of them.
What's it?
You know, I'm only 5'3". Yeah. Are you finna laugh at me? Because I'm short. How tall are you?
You gotta jump Joe in front.
Yeah. I gotta use the step stool to reach the sink too.
That's actually crazy.
You laughing? I'm so serious. Why is that funny though? What's wrong with being short? How
Ain't
tall?
nothing
How
wrong.
tall are you?
Yes. All the time, I live very young to be tall.
Back up.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
You from Oklahoma?
No, that's what it say. I'm now lying. What the fuck? Hey yo, chill out. You're not gonna say why your glasses so big?
I know.
You like do people talk about you? Like do people ask you that question all the time?
Stop the cap.
Really? This is the first time?
Stop the cap.
Yeah, nah. You got like an extra pair or is that it?
What?
I said, do you have an extra pair or is that it? I gotta move the contacts on. The glass big as shit, yo. Just big serious, bro. I don't got it like that, Isaac. I don't get no play, bro. I try. Yo, shit.
Good.
I try some shit. You hear me?
You look good.
I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that.
Appreciate you. Where you from?
I'm from Cali. Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Okay, I flight order. Like, 6 flight.
Take a flight. Alright, what's your Instagram? Type in Instagram. I'll take a flight.
Okay, you go back. Don't know how to type on your phone. My
Alright, what is it?
Jayla.
40.
Embarrassing.
Did not. What the fuck was that? Oh,
Make a new one, BDG. Okay.
okay. My friend said it was
You ever
good.
twisted your hair before?
I used to have dreads.
Red, you cut them? You have faux locks? Like, you have faux locks? You have fake dreads or no?
Don't play with me.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
You weird, bro. My homeboy. Nah, I'm not.
Because I know things.
I'm not talking to you.
Because I called you out?
Wait, what did you say? What did you ask me?
What?
What did you ask me?
What? So, hi.
Why'd you laugh?
Like, you look like a doctor. So,
My fault. I'm sorry. What is that? What?
I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that.
You gonna do something about that? You just gonna talk? Just drop the IG. If I'm so fine. We get straight to business over here. I don't do too much talking. Just drop the IG.
well, I'm gonna be consistent. That's the real
Yeah,
thing.
I got you, but you just gotta. I got you. I promise.
Bruh.
I promise. I got you.
Promise is a big word. That's a big word.
Right. I got you.
Oh, yes.
For me,
Yes. Why you got a Christmas hat on us?
it's Christmas time. What you mean? What you fucking what?
Thanksgiving just passed.
It don't matter. It's December. From December 1st all the way through. It's Christmas.
I get you.
See, you not in the Christmas spirit right now. That's your problem. You supposed to be.
I'm sorry. I like Christmas.
Oh, why not?
Oh my.
How's it?
No. Shut up. I gotta see on here. You got dreams.
I'm bald.
Let me see. Let me see.
Bald. Because if I take this,
Let me see.
I'm bald.
Like,
And then I have to put it back on. I take it off.
what?
Yeah. What's that?
Leave.
Hell no, I gotta be in the Christmas spirit. It's split.
Oh, I mean, you got kids?
Hell no, what the hell? You got kids? I could show you.
Well,
Dog. I just had a son. See, bro. If we was talking about animals, then yeah.
tell me. Tell me.
But how do you pronounce it or my actual names?
Like, your name.
David?
Your name is not Daisy.
Is it? What's my name? If my name is not David.
Like, Quantravius or some shit.
Ow.
Don't play with me.
That's not crazy. That's like racially.
No, no, no.
Have you ever
I
met
just,
a black man named, what did you say?
why? Excuse me when you landed on. I see you. You should excuse me.
My hand was on the button. I'd be ready. You know what I'm saying? It'd be crazy shit on it.
What'd you say?
Saying that my hat fucked up. I don't know how it was.
Well, take the hat off. You're not no Santa Claus.
I am.
I like your jacket. You want to let me get it?
You want to get my this one? See, this is 101, bro. Nobody got this shit. That's what I'm saying.
It don't matter. Like,
I might. I gotta get to know you though. And maybe I get you.
I'm great.
I don't know that. You can tell me that. You might be crazy.
He's good. You can find out.
I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that, nigga.
He's awesome.
All right. Type in IG and then I'll find out.
You know, I feel like you bullshit. You gotta follow me for real.
Sure. All right, I guess. If you type it, I'll follow you.
You gotta like my pictures. I just seen a photo shoot, so you gotta like.
All right, I got you.
You growing your hair out?
Yeah, I just cut my chest off.
Why would you do that?
I was gonna get a forehead, and now I got free form, so it's like
But you can't just follow me. You gotta go look at my pictures. I be looking fire. But you can't just follow me. Yes, boy.
all right, I'm gonna look. I got you. I'm gonna hit you.
You a boy.
People tell me I look like Drake all the time.
Embarrassing.
See it?
Why are they lying to you? And why are you lying to yourself about that?
What are you talking about, bro? I don't look like I don't look like Drake.
No, bro. What?
You sure? That's crazy.
Are you YouTuber?
Am I who?
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah.
Are you lying? He just has beef on. That's all. He just has beef on.
Oh, look it up. I can't show you, but it's the chat right.
You're lying.
I swear.
I can't.
Look, all right, look. This is what I'm finna do. I'm finna take a picture, and I'm finna show you the camera.
You better lie. Oh. Okay, go.
You want me to say it? What you just said? My homeboy said you could fry an egg on. What you say? Say it again. One more time. He said some crazy shit. I'm sorry. What I don't remember what he said. Say it one more time. Now he trying to act like he ain't said that shit.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, yeah.
I gotta. You know, you look like that guy who be rating people's brands, and then they be going to be like, "Quan." He like, ass.
Whoa, 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 whoa. She just said I like Quan, bro. You know how many times you know how many times I hear that every day.
Yeah, I think it's the fit and like the chain. Cause
It's
you
the
look like,
fit.
yeah.
I used to have
Like you
dreads.
be
It was
like,
worse. I used to have dreads. It was terrible.
yeah. I feel like that's what you look like.
I don't look like Quan.
It's not your face. It's just like your vibe.
I don't look like Quan. I met Quan though. My homeboy said, "Can you lift up your bonnet?"
Lift up my bonnet.
He said, "No
I got
motherfucking
twisted.
way."
I got twisted inside.
Show her the pic.
I gotta keep my twist. But you don't look like him. You look better than Quan. You look better.
I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that, nigga.
Oh, now him actually rub. Quan ain't got nothing on you.
Quan ain't got. Man, what's up, bro? You trying to drop the Instagram, bro? I don't do too much stuff. You keep flirting this shit, but just drop the Instagram. Come on, let's do too much talking.
You don't even see my hair on there because I have my hair to twist right now.
It's cool. My freeform is not all the way there yet, so we like the same right now. So
They look good though.
see, here she go, bro.
See, like I
Chill
oil,
out.
I oil your scalp. Is that
You oil my scalp.
yeah? I use all type of rosemary oils in there. You lucky I ain't got my
I
nails.
just followed you. I'm gonna take you.
Bush.
He said I'm bush. You like that, bro? I feel like I see you on him. Huh?
Are you on Christmas spirit?
Yeah, it's December. You supposed to be. Why are you not in Christmas period? Exactly.
I am a Christmas spirit. Jingle bell,
What?
jingle bell, jingle bell, wow.
Huh?
I'm not fussing you. I'm talking to somebody else.
Okay. Hey, that could have this with me, bro. I was just
I'm just sure else is talking to somebody else.
where you from?
Colorado?
Why your hair so big?
Huh?
I said, why your hair so big?
I don't know. Some man like that.
You need to fix that, like, real quick.
And you need to fix. Hello?
What's up? You shit chilling?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Where did she come from? Alright, bro. How many of y'all is it? Damn, that tattoo hard as shit. That shit hurt.
So,
Did her tattoo hurt?
this tattoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I said it's stronger orange.
Mhm.
Do it. Yup. Has somebody ever told you you look like full on dreads?
Don't play with me.
No, you don't. That's fine. So let's we put this or something.
I'm looking at something.
No,
Too
you
much.
You're
Too much
supposed to.
going on. You want
You
to?
ain't gonna skip us.
You want me to?
No, chill. We chillin'.
Alright. What we talking about? What's going on?
Listen, Bill, but I'm not
Yeah, I'm not talking about that.
Huh?
I got a talent.
Yeah, my talent is cooking, doing nails. Wait, is being good at the game like a talent, or you want to see my talent?
Yeah, yeah. What did you just say? Hold on. Say it again. I'm sorry. Hold on. Wait. Give me 1 second. Let me get it together. Right. Hold on. Say it one more time. What did you say? That nigga was talking about your head. My homeboy. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga said. I'm sorry. Where you from? Nashville? Why are you I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. Lock in, bro. Where the fuck did she just go? Oh my god, I can't do it. How old are you? That's not me. Oh, somebody in the chat says your edge is fine. You did your shit, and I give you that. You did your shit. Your nails hard. You like mine?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are we going there? Are we gonna take it there? Do we gotta take it there?
No, I like them.
Okay. I was just making sure. Yeah, they hard. I got them done yesterday.
I can't even tell you that's what I'm That's all I do.
Yeah. What you want to say, CJ? Because you were just talking shit the whole time. You might as well talk your shit now. He said you look good, but he's scared to tell you.
We were just talking about it.
He was, but that's how he flirt. Like, you know how people.
No, that's not.
That's how I flirt too, though. Like, you be mean and shit. How old are you?
Oh, I'm 17.
Oh man, he said he's 17. He's 17 too and shit. You not fucking with it?
You were just talking about me.
It wasn't for real, bro. He said it was a little jokey joke. Like, it wasn't like playing shit.
Okay, it's just jokes.
He said just give him a chance real quick.
But give what?
He said give him a chance.
I don't even know what he's on.
He finna show you. He said type in Instagram and he gonna text you.
You type it.
Let me type his Instagram. His shit is private. Just type in Instagram and I'm gonna show it to him. Alright, but look, you can't sell this one. This one is like, you can't sell it. Alright. He said he finna text you right now.